Nobody takes you seriously, and deep down, you know why. But you've been too afraid to admit it. Respect isn't given, it's taken. And you're begging for scraps, apologizing when you walk into a room, laughing at jokes that aren't funny just to be liked. Weak energy attracts vultures. People treat you how you allow them to. Your nice guy act? It's not kindness, it's fear. Fear of conflict, fear of rejection. So you tolerate disrespect, and they reward you with more of it. Here's the wake-up call. If your presence doesn't demand respect, your absence won't even be noticed. Stop talking. Start acting. Say no with your chest. Hold eye contact like you own it. Walk into a room like you belong there, because waiting for permission is what got you here. Tomorrow, one person will disrespect you. Will you fold like always? Or will you finally stand the hell up? The choice is yours, but nobody respects a coward.